That's why I do the afternoon one-on-ones because it keeps me from sitting there taking a bunch of trades.
It's true, right?
Yeah.
You'll be like, "Oh, what's that? Oh, it's
Yeah.
doing the
Oh,
things."
it looks easy. Here it is. Let's try this one. Let's try this. And I find myself getting into more and more scalps in the afternoon. I do have the discipline at least.
Yep.
If I am trading in the afternoon, I typically go in smaller. So
Right, right. Yeah, well, that's good. So at least you're not, going to get burned if you do something silly, right? Yeah, whatever you got to do to lock yourself out. And we all know, right? We all have to be like our own supervisors. You know what I mean? Whatever it's going to do for you, because especially, once we start to see the charts and all the things. And I'm going to tell you this, there will never be a time, right, when you're looking at the chart and you're not like, "Oh, this is a great spot." Especially after you've been with me for a while. It's because every spot it could be a great spot because you can see things that most people can't see, but that doesn't mean you need to be trading 24/7. Yeah, it might be a great spot. Look at this nice pop. That's the pop I was talking about. Yeah, it might be a great spot, right? But that don't mean you got to trade it because every spot would be great, especially as a scalper. As a scalper, oh, that's bouncing off the nine. Oh, it's going to bounce off 21. Oh, it's bouncing off support. Oh, it's bouncing off resistance. Oh, there'd be one. Like it could be anything. You know what I mean? Like we got to really control ourselves as scalpers, right? Like the whole time it could be something. You know what I'm saying? So we need to be disciplined. We need to look for the A plus setups. We need to not trade everything. Right now, I actually like this setup. People are like, why are you still in? I actually like this. I got stopped out because I wasn't below the 21, but I like this because remember, if it can't hold support, it's going to tank. But as long as this can stay up above support, we should get a nice pop here, right? 21, end all be all. I made the mistake when I got in this trade earlier. I did not use my own 21, which was up here because I'm over here looking at this one, but it should have been this one, right? If it can't hold this and it comes through, hits my level of, hits my stop, breaks through the 21, I'm going to short that thing, right? But that tells me, but right now I have to trade the trade. And to trade the trade, it's telling me you're on support. So on support, I got to long it. I don't have a choice. It's in the strategy. I don't get to make up my own rules. That ain't the damn that ain't the strategy, right? You don't get to do it either. Oh, but it had three candles and it's look at three down, down, down. Look at three down, down, down. Everybody be like, oh, but it's gonna drop out no matter what. It's support. I got my risk in place. My risk is from here to here. This is my risk. Look at this pops up here though. Whoops, that was a terrible drawing. This pops up here. This is my reward. You see the difference? Anybody? See what I'm saying? That's the beauty of it. Um, will you lose trades? Yes, a lot of them. It's how you handle the loss, right? And guess what? If I have three trades in a row that triggered my stop loss, I'm done. If I have 10 that are great and two that are red and then another one that's red, but might be way up for the day, well, then I will evaluate it, right? But get into those good A plus trades. Let the tool work, which is your money inside of the system. Let your stop loss do its job. No, you guys don't see me going, oh, it can come back. Oh, I'm gonna let it come back. I'm gonna let it come back. I'm gonna let it come back. Well, anybody see me do that bullshit? No. I put it in. It needs to be here. Why? Allow a little bit of a candle breakthrough. If it breaks through and holds, I don't want to be in that trade anyways. Get me the hell out of there, right? Are we all on the same page? And by the way, this has gone green a crap load of times while I have been training you. There it goes green again. Move my stop, protect my trade. There's the pop I wanted. Like to see a little bit more room. Did everybody see though how I let it work? It was the right trade. I am now up $300 on the trade. Did you see it? When the whole world's like, there's no way, but you had three, candles coming to the downside. Right? I got the shirt. I got the American Dream trading shirt. I went out. I bought the mouse pad. I got the bowling bag. I go fast, fast, zoom, zoom. It's like when you write buying the Borland exhaust sticker from, look at that, $437 trade. Now I'm going to protect this a little bit more. Why? Oh, it's not even going to let me. The stop is broke. Taking my money. 250 bucks. It was 375 when I clicked the button. I made $250. Everybody saw the trade. You saw why I did what I did, how I did it, when I did it. Right, boom, there it is, new high day. Look at that. My stop broke, by the way. That's why I killed it. I could have put in a new one and did the things, but it's okay. I was coming up to a double top. We always know watch for a double top, but there it goes. So was I right or was I wrong?
You were right, coach.
Did anybody see me panicking? Didn't I have my stop in place? Wasn't my risk management on point? So what did I care if it pulled back? Right? Like I said, I got burned on the first one because my stop wasn't below this 21. So these were a little too tight. It's okay. My second one made up for the first one. So boom, now you can be like, oh, you're break even now. That's okay too.